Hello and welcome to yet another video about yet another Wadia 16. This must be like a third or fourth that I have. And you see, what it does? All of the other ones would just come on straight into those two lights. One is a CD, one is the 44.1 kilohertz. And well, this one flashes everything on the display usually 3 times, but sometimes twice. And if it's off for any length of time, there will be a like 20 seconds delay before it even starts flashing. Now the difference between this unit and the ones I had before is in FPGAs. These are made by Logic, both of them, whereas what I had before was made by Star. The Zillings are still pretty much the same, I think. Maybe that's a different model. I have to check. But anyway, maybe it's just a different program, and when it boots, does something there. Who knows? But if you have one of those, please let me know. As far as its sound, it's well, very detailed, even more detailed than I remember from my unit. I'll have to take it to my #1 system and compare. So I'm very curious. There's another thing that if you have one, if you had an experience with that, at the back, all of them, and this is why I bought this from US, all of them have, so I thought all of them, they have voltage selector. Voltage selector sits inside of there. See, when you move the plate to obstruct the power plug, you could then pull the fuse out, and right underneath it there was a little printed circuit board that you could remove it and insert it a different way, thus changing the input voltage. In here it doesn't appear to be so. Like, there is a board there, but it's not sticking out, it's not lending itself for easy removal. So if you have one of those, please let me know if I can pull it out and just get the other one in. So, so that's that. This is another one of my please help me videos. But these are really great players. This is probably the best sounding player I have ever heard, you know. So that's why I keep buying them and swapping and refurbishing them. Well, thank you very much, and until the next one. Bye-bye.